Okay, we're live, Ken.
Okay, Ken Domstead, North Central Region, Masters, Scale, workout 15.2. You that okay?
Yep. 8 inches on top. Yep. Top of your head. Here, can you show your bar?
Okay. 45-pound bar.
Stop!
Okay.
Jumping chest to bar. Okay.
I think we're good. One, go. Nice job, Ken. You got it. Nice job, bud. Nice job. Nice job.
There's 4.
Nice job, Ken.
Good job, Ken.
Okay.
Go, Ken.
Nice job, Ken.
No rest. Got it, Ken? No rest.
You're all right. Shake it off.
Do it.
You got it, bud.
You got it. Okay.
Come on, Ken.
Nice, Ken. Nice job. Good, good. Way to fight for it. You got it. You got it. Nice job.
Up this slow. Oh, yeah.
Nice job, Ken. Plenty of time. Plenty of time. You got it. Plenty of time. Relax and have some fun.
Go, Ken.
Go, Ken. You can do it. Got it, Ken. Right here. Nice.
Got it, man.
Go, Ken.
Come on, man.
Way to knock him out. Nice job. You're doing fine.
Ken, you can do it.
Have some fun. It's just a workout.
Good job, Ken.
Nice job.
5. No rest. Stop.
You got it, bud. Plenty of time.
No rest.
Shake it off and have it if you need to. You got plenty of time.
No rest. Come on, Ken.
You got plenty of time. You got plenty of time.
Come on, Ken.
You got it, asshole.
Come on, Ken.
Come on, Ken. Go. No rest. Come on, Ken. You got it, Ken. Come on, Ken. Jump. Use your legs. You got it, Ken. No rest. You're right.
It's okay. That's all right.
Total 23 reps.
Nice job, bud. It's a brutal one.